get the out. If you do not like how democracy works in this country, then you are free to leave the Philippines.
Kung naghahanap kayo ng katotohanan, sasabihin ko sa inyo ang totoo. Chinese Embassy, kayo ang problema.
Layas, this is our house.
Nasa Pilipinas tayo at dito, Pilipino ang nasusunod. No embassy gets to decide who among Filipino officials is qualified to speak on Philippine interests.
You do not have the moral authority to lecture Filipinos about freedom of speech, because freedom of speech does not exist in your country. It is not practiced, it is not protected, it is punished. So do not export censorship to a nation that fought, bled, and died to be free.
Hindi rin po ako papayag na ipinahihiya tayo sa sarili nating bahay. Hindi tayo papatahimikin sa sarili nating demokrasya. Come on, Mr. President. Ganyan yata talaga ang ugali ng mga bully. Malakas mang-asar pero ayaw nilang napupuna.
Respect is not demanded, it is earned and it is mutual. If you want respect from Filipinos, then respect our Constitution.
Kahit sino pang dayuhan, walang karapatang atahimikin ang mga Pilipino sa loob ng Pilipinas.
This is not your country, Layas.